Here's how to make the best activator for any slime. First, you're gonna need a measuring cup and fill it up with 1 cup of hot water from the sink. Then you need some borax powder that you can get at the supermarket or on Amazon. This is what it looks like, kinda like salt. Now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of the borax powder into the hot water. Make sure it's a teaspoon, not a drip, and then stir that up with a clean spoon until all the borax is dissolved. They're just time to cool and decorate your activator bottle. Being borax stands are beautiful, not boring. Now pour that juicy stuff in there and make sure to not drink it. I show how to make slime in my full video. Can you make slime without glue or activator? Let's find out. We'll be needing a container, shampoo, and salt. All those viral TikTok recipes use Pantene, so that's what we're gonna use. It's as slimy as snail dust. Shampoo literally looks like clear glue. Time to salt things up. This should hopefully activate our slime. 1.5 spoons should be good. Now let Nixie. Something was definitely getting cooked up, but we needed more salt. Nobody wants a musty slime for a diet pit. I have 5 spoons and it feels pretty good already. Instead of stabbing with my pencil, let's put it in the freezer for 2 hours to see the result. We'll wash the fully in now to see if this recipe was sicker.